loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I do at night to remove my makeup and to get clean, clear skin. So first I'm going to be starting with my Aveeno Ultra Calming Wipes. Mine got a little dried out and so I just run it under lukewarm water, and that is what I use to take off all of my makeup. I will say that when I use them before and just straight out of the package without wetting the wipe first, I did not like it as much as I like it now that I have included this step into my routine by wetting the wipe first. It just makes it a little bit more moisturizing, and I think that it kind of dilutes the soap a little bit more, so it just kind of takes my makeup off a lot better. And honestly, these wipes will take off every single bit of my makeup. Next, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up in a ponytail. At night, I kind of just massage the curls out a little bit, and I just throw it in a messy bun on the top of my head. It makes for sleeping a lot more comfortable this way, and I don't lose all of my curl by the next morning as well. Now for the fun stuff, I'm going to take my Aveeno Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub, and I'm going to go ahead and damp my face, and I'm going to use this little scrubber that I got from either Sephora or Forever 21. If I can find it, I will link it down below for you guys. And I just add a little bit to my scrubber and I scrub my face, and I really try to focus on my problem areas like the sides of my nose, my chin, and my forehead, just because I feel like that's like the roughest part of my skin, and so I just try to like massage it, and it actually has made a huge difference. Make sure you don't forget to wash your neck as well, and go ahead and rinse that off once you are done scrubbing. Now when it comes time to dry, I am drying in a patting motion. It's just super important to do this to take care of your skin and just be super gentle to your skin. I just find that it's important in the long run. Now I'm going to be taking my Aveeno Ultra Calming Daily Moisturizer, and I'm going to be applying that to my entire face. I've been using this product for years, probably since high school, and it has never ever failed me, so it's a super important step in my routine. Next, I'm going to be taking my Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream, and this is a new product that I've been trying, and I will say that it is something that is going to stick with my routine because I absolutely love it. It is so hydrating, and it makes my face feels so amazing after I use it. I use it morning and night. Now for my final step, I'm taking my Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea and spraying that all over my face. So yeah, that is my nighttime skin routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!